A sewage ejector pump can be easily confused with a common basement sump pump, but its purpose is entirely different. While a sump pump removes excess groundwater from around the foundation and prevents the basement from flooding, a sewage ejector pump collects all wastewater from basement plumbing and pushes it toward the main sewer line. But what's the purpose? In some cases, the public sewers sit higher than the basement floors. Because water can't flow uphill, any waste from basement plumbing would naturally back up and flood the space. Therefore, the home's main exit line is intentionally installed high up on the wall to prevent that from happening. Because of that, all sewage produced in the basement flows by gravity into the ejector pump well first. There are two pipes coming out of the sealed ejector well. One is for venting the well, which runs all the way up to the roof. The second pipe connects to the grinder pump inside, which pumps the ground-up sewage directly into the main sewer line. One advantage of this elevated sewer line is that the cleanout is incredibly easy to access. Meanwhile, all waste from the floors above flows into the main sewer line naturally, by gravity. These systems are common whenever public sewers run high, and they are completely reliable. As the well is completely sealed and vented, there is no need to worry about any odor at all.